What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil or Tubanchi, and today I'm about to show you one of the most gorgeous house in Kerala, India. Alright, so before I show you the house, there are 3 facts about this house. First, it's built on 2019 and designed by Associate Interior, and the closest city of this house is Kottayam. Alright, let me just show you the house now. First and foremost, the gates are motorized. Let's get to the front. Alright, so here's the front, and as you can see over here, there's a 3-car garage and a doghouse. So let's take you to the front door. Alright, here's the front door. Let's open the door. Now enjoy the house tour. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, please comment below. My goal for this year is to create 5 videos at the end of this year. So if you got some ideas, let me know, comment below. And otherwise, I will see you the next time. See you.